The way you do your job is just as important as the safety precautions that you take. Careless habits can have devastating consequences.
Tools. Where would we be without them? But use a tool incorrectly and someone might get hurt. Always use the right tool for the job. Make sure you know how to properly use the tools that you work with. Power tools and other electrical equipment require special considerations. Inspect power cords before use. A damaged wire is both a shock hazard and a fire risk. And don't create an octopus. Too many plugs in one outlet can overload the circuit, blow out a fuse, or even start a fire. Remember to unplug or lock out electrical equipment before attempting repairs. If you forget, you may get a shocking reminder. If you are working near machines with moving parts, make sure appropriate machine guards are in place. Remove loose clothing and jewelry that could get caught in the machine as well. If your job takes you into a warehouse, be careful how you handle the materials that you're working with. Wear appropriate PPE and get help if you have to move a heavy or unwieldy object. Only use powered equipment such as a forklift if you are trained and certified on it. Consult the operating manual if you have any questions. Plan your route and what you will be doing with your lifts. Take your time and always be aware of what's going on around you. But safe work practices go beyond how we use tools and equipment. We need to be careful how we use our bodies as well. Each job makes a different set of demands. Knowing how your body moves can help you to avoid ergonomic problems. Keep your body in neutral positions as much as possible. Select tools that are ergonomically friendly and whose weight, size, and shape make them easy to use. Adjust your workstation to fit your size and shape, whether you're in an office or on a plant floor. Keep tools and materials within easy reach. When you are lifting something, be sure to use proper procedures. Bend at the knees. Keep your back straight and lift with your legs, smoothly, not suddenly. If you are ever unsure about how to use a piece of equipment or perform a task, talk to your supervisor.